Hi everyone, this is Linda here with another recipe, and today I'm showing you how to make strawberry shortcake muffins. So to start off, we'll mix all our dry ingredients together, and that is the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and salt. You whisk them together and and add your cubed cold butter. It's very important. And using either your fingertips or pastry blender, you cut the flour, the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs, as you can see. You set that aside, then we do um, our wet ingredient. That's egg, vanilla extract, and buttermilk. We whisk everything together until it's well combined. Then what we do is we add it to our flour mixture. Hi there, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you like the videos. Like, subscribe, and share. So I'm just going to give it a little stir. Then I'm going to pick I've already cut the strawberries. As you can see, I'm adding just a little tiny bit of flour to coat the strawberry so that when it's baked, it will not stick to the bottom of the muffins. So I'm just going to start stir so that everything will be well coated and just add it to the mixture. So I'm just going to stir until it's well combined, but not to over mix the dough. Then you can either spray baking muffin pan, or you can also use cake liners for your muffin pan as well. Then just scoop your butter into them, as you can see, and you bake it in a preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until it is golden brown. And you allow it to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes and transfer into a cooling rack to cool completely, or you can serve it warm. And there is our muffins baked, cooling, and ready to enjoy. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.